Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a channel to your team on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application itself. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for the application to load. Make sure you are signed into the account and now navigate to Teams. Within the left-hand side navigation menu, if you are not already, you might be on chat, but we are using the Teams section. So your Teams, go to the three dots on the top right corner, more options. Let's just click on this. And now let's add a new channel within the team. So create a channel for Computer Science Videos team. The channel name will be social media. Description, which helps others find the right channel by providing a description. Let's just say all social media content will be uploaded here. Privacy can be standard or private. Let's just allow everyone on the team to have access. Automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. Yes, click on add. And there we go. So we have general, which is always made within a team. So if you start a new team, the general section, the general channel will always be there by default, and then we have the option to create different channels. And so we can now, if we wish to, look at all the other options. We will further look into this within the next tutorial or tutorials. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.